all commemorate the Lahore Resolution of 1940. That was the first reason. And then the second reason was actually to adopt the first constitution of Pakistan during the transition of the Dominion of Pakistan to Islamic Republic of Pakistan in 23rd March 1956, which was 16 years after. And believe it or not, Pakistan was the world's first Islamic Republic. So that's the basic background of this National Day. And now moving to the most important bit of today's ceremony. So may I invite our Consul General, His Excellency Ghurbran Mehman, our President Qamar Minhas, and our Vice President Mr. Aqil Khan and Mr. Iqbal Mehman, and our Honorary Secretary Ilyas Muhammad to raise the flag. So for the audience here, for the guests, I will encourage you to sing aloud when you hear the national anthem. As Pakistanis, we all know the national anthem. So when you listen, you can also read aloud the national anthem.